Hello everyone, good morning. As in previous video we have done revision of chapter number 1. Now today we will do revision of chapter number 2, that is celebrating Bihu. Okay, as we learn summary of chapter number 1, today we will learn summary of chapter number 2. In that we will include all the main points. So let's start. Bihu is one of the most important festivals of Assam. It is the harvest festival of Assam which marks the transformation of season. It is celebrated with lots of fun and enjoyment from the Assamese people. So here they are providing information about the celebration of the festivals. The festival is of the three kinds of celebrated thrice a year. It is celebrated 3 times in a year, as we are knowing that 3 types of Bihu is there, right? So here we are given another names of Bihu festival. Suppose रोंगाली बिहू को क्या बोलते हैं, बोगा बिहू भी बोलते हैं, एंड इट इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल. फिर भोगाली बिहू को माघ बिहू भी बोलते हैं, विच इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड इन दी जनवरी. एंड पोंगाली बिहू को काती बिहू भी बोलते हैं, और कौन से मंथ में सेलिब्रेट होता है वो अक्टूबर और नवंबर मंथ में. बट हमें तो 3 नेम्स ही याद रखने हैं जो टेक्स्ट बुक में दिए हैं. The festivals entertains the celebration of farming, particularly of paddy. Okay, this is actually entertain people, those who are doing farming activities, and specially जो grains उगाते हैं उनके लिए है ये. बोगा बिहू, that is called रोंगाली बिहू. It is celebrated in the beginning of the sowing seed. जब sowing seeds करते हैं तब कौन सा से बिहू सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? At that time they are celebrating रोंगाली बिहू. कार्ती बिहू को और भी हम क्या बोलते हैं? Here the name is given कोंगाली बिहू. Okay, it is celebrated the fulfillment of sowing seeds and transplantation of the saplings. जब grains को sowing seeds का जो काम है वो complete हो जाता है तब ये बिहू सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. And भोगाली बिहू is celebrated at the arrival of the harvest time. जब सब काम ख़त्म हो जाता है और हार्वेस्टिंग पीरियड आ जाता है तब भोगाली बिहू सेलिब्रेट होता है. बिहू होल्ड्स द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आसामीज कल्चर. द फोक डांस ऑफ आसाम, बिहू डांस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द फेस्टिवल. पीपल ऑल अराउंड द स्टेट डांस ऑन द राइम्स ऑफ प्रोड्यूस्ड rhythms. State dance on the rhythms produced through the instruments like dhol, tal, pepa, toka, gogona, bahi and suduli. Generally the festival continues for 7 days. As we learn, ये एक दिन के लिए नहीं होता है. This is going to celebrate for several days. The farmers prepare their field with the great joy and enthusiasm on cultivation. एकदम हैप्पीनेस से, एकदम प्लेजेंट होके, इंथ्यूजास्टिकली फार्मर्स क्या करते हैं? अपने फील्ड को, फार्म को और अपने जो कैटल है उनको गार्लैंड से वो डेकोरेट करते हैं. द स्पेशल कुजिनेश इज़ मेड ड्यूरिंग द फेस्टिवल आर पीठास, लारू एंड आर मेड ऑफ राइस एंड कोकोनट. And different types of drinks are prepared by the local tribes like chuje, namlao, apong and joplang. This is the extra information. अगर आप ये याद नहीं रखते हो then that's okay. But here what they are saying कि यहाँ पे स्पेशल टाइप्स ऑफ ड्रिंक्स भी बनाए जाते हैं और स्वीट्स तो हमने चैप्टर में जो पढ़ा है लारू एंड पीठा दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग. These are the ones through which the flavor of the bihu is experienced. The folk songs played in the festivals are known as bihu geet. जो सॉन्ग्स बजाते हैं और जो जिन पे हमारे ये जो चैप्टर में ऑथर ने डांस किया था, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड बिहू गीत. It is time when people from different communities come together and celebrate their oneness. different communities से लोग आके क्या करते हैं? They are celebrating this festival together. It is the season of love and the celebration of the cultural flame of the Assam. आसाम का एक ये कल्चरल, वी कैन से दैट उनका ये एक ट्रेडिशन है जो लोग साथ में मिलके एंजॉय करते हैं. Now let's see some meanings. Eager means curious. Enthusiastically, with a lot of excitement and interest, एकदम happy होके जो बोलता है, that is called enthusiastically. Joyous, very happy. Brisk, quick. Delightful, very pleasant. Bonfire, a large outdoor fire. Now let's start with the exercise. Question number 1 is given that we have to sentence formation. Word दिया है, word से हमें क्या करना है, sentence बनाना है. Decorate. We decorated our school on Janmashtami. Present. She was present in the prayer hall. Shy. The author felt shy while dancing. Okay, so these were the sentence formation. Now let's move to the question and answers. That is very important part of the chapter. So question number 1 is, before visiting Assam, what did the speaker learn from Aunt Ratna? When author were traveling to Guwahati with Ma and Baba, but before visiting Assam, he was aware of some facts, some things from the Assam state. What was that? क्या पता था उनको आसाम के बारे में? जो हम सबको पता है, Assam is rich in agriculture, right? Now let's write down the correct and whole answer. Before visiting Assam, the speaker had learned from Aunt Ratna that Assam is one of the most beautiful states in India. She had also said that Assam is very rich in agriculture. So we have to remember 2 points in this answer. Number 1 is Assam is most beautiful state, as we have seen pictures while I was explaining the chapter, right? Picture में एकदम green वाला मैंने दिखाया था Assam. So it is most beautiful state, and the second thing is it is rich in agriculture. We have to remember 2 points. Now let's turn the page. Question number so here we are going to learn all the question answer. इसमें से ही आपको MCQ में आ सकते हैं. So you all are going to remember this. Now let's see the question number next. That is 3. What is special about this name? रोंगाली बिहू. रोंगाली बिहू के नेम के ऊपर से what is special? What we can say special thing? रोंगाली बिहू is Assamese New Year and it is usually celebrated in the middle of April. अप्रैल के मिडल में एक तो सेलिब्रेट होता है. Second point, it is called रोंगाली बिहू because of the happiness it brings to the people. लोगों के लिए happiness लेके आता है. That is why it is called रोंगाली बिहू and it brings happiness to the people because it is New Year. Question number next 4. How do farmers take care of their cattle during Bihu? During Bihu, how they are taking care of their farm and their cattle? During Bihu, farmers spend a whole day decorating the cattle. They bathe their cows and bulls with the maa, halodi and paste of some black gram and little turmeric. हल्दी एंड ब्लैक ग्राम लेके वो क्या करते हैं, अपने कैटल को, काव और बुल को बैथ करवाते हैं. आफ्टर दिस द डेकोरेट द एनिमल्स विद अ फ्यू गार्लैंड्स. फिर फ्लावर्स का जो हार बनाते हैं ना, वो हार बना के लाइक वो अपने काउज और बुल्स को पहनाते हैं. दे डेकोरेट देयर होल फार्म एंड दे आर स्पेंडिंग द होल डे. हाउ इज़ द फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटेड अमंग फैमिलीज़? फैमिलीज़ कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? दोज हु आर नॉट डूइंग फार्मिंग एक्टिविटी, वो लोग कैसे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे? During Bihu, members of Assamese families greet each other, welcome their guests, and pay their respects to elders in the family by presenting them a new gamosa. So, in these, even we are going to remember 2 points. एक तो क्या करते हैं? They are welcoming each other, welcoming guest को welcome करते हैं और elders को respect pay करते हैं. कैसे? What they are gifting to them? They are gifting gamosa. And what is gamosa? That is hand-woven towel. Question number 6. How has the speaker described the Bihu dance? Speaker ने Bihu dance को कैसे describe किया था? Was he enjoying that dance? Was he feeling good while dancing? What happened at that time? So let's see. The speaker describes the Bihu dance as a joyous. Joyous बोला था और joyous का meaning क्या होता है? We already learned here. Very happy. So author ने क्या बोला था? The dance was very joyous. The speaker loved its brisk steps. What is the meaning of brisk? Quickly. स्पीड में जो मूवमेंट करते हैं हैंड से, दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रिस्क स्टेप. सो ऑथर लव्ड इट ब्रिस्क स्टेप्स एंड हैंड मूवमेंट्स. सो इट वॉज ऑल अबाउट दी बिहू डांस एंड बिहू चैप्टर. सबको ये क्वेश्चन आंसर रीड करना है एंड एवरीबडी विल रिमेंबर दिस, बिकॉज MCQ अगर एग्ज़ाम में आएंगे तो ये क्वेश्चन आंसर में से भी आपको आ सकते हैं. ओके, सो एवरीबडी विल रिमेंबर दिस.